Okay, I'm back, and this could be day 2. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to be doing this, but here is my canvas. I have my paints all set out, and what I am doing is I am using some leftover paints that I have from the other day that I picked up from underneath my canvas. I hate to see wasted paint. So this has some beautiful colors in it. Just gorgeous. It's a beautiful shade of blue. And I'm going to be flooding the bottom of my canvas here with this. So just so you know. And I got a little daring, and while I was just mixing it up, I decided to add a little bit of the Australian Floetrol into that. Just a little squirt of it, just out of curiosity to see what that would do to my painting. So I will be doing that. I mixed up my paints, and this is a Pebeo iridescent, very blue iridescent. That's what we have here. The next color is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black, which is an outstanding color. You're going to love that. I mixed up, off camera of course, with Liquitex Naples Yellow U. Decided I would add that into my color palette today. This is the Arteza Gold that I have mixed up with the 24 karat Extreme Sheen and the Deco Art Gold Matte Metallics. And these are my leftovers that I've been using for quite a while. These are the two that I've used, and I'm going to include that in. And that is the Matisse Southern Blue Ocean and the Matisse Prussian Blue, which is one of my favorites. I have all of that. I have a leftover cloud paint, which is, there's not much, but I'm sure there's plenty of cloud paints mixed in here. So this, I'm going to be layering it in my paints. And all the recipes for everything will be in the description box below. And the first thing I'm going to be doing here is laying down my base coat, which is going to be this gorgeous color of blue. I hope everyone is doing well out there. Yeah, we're coming to the end of February, and it's almost been a year that we have all been sitting at home. Well, not all of us, but a lot of us have been sitting at home. A lot of kids have been doing their work at home, missing their friends. A lot of adults are missing their friends. Mental health is on the rise. It's not easy being at home. If you're used to being on the go all the time. So art is a good way to battle this. Take some time and enjoy your paints. Enjoy fellow artists. Just something that just fill in over here. Okay. So this is a gorgeous color. I don't know how much of it is going to be seen at the ends, but I hope a lot of it, because I kind of like it. I think I might go for some negative space today. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas. So let's see. Maybe we'll put this down. Maybe I'll start over here today. Start from dark. How about some of this? Some of this Pebeo. Iridescent blue. Oops. And let me add in some of this cloud paint. Love the way all of this came over here, and this little area here too. So please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for coming today. I'll take you in for a close-up in a little while. Just give it a little time to settle in. And please subscribe. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back tomorrow. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.